Hello viewers, this is Alicia speaking from Trade Fair, where we are actually in Kano Plaza. Here is my shop located at shop 34 Kano Plaza in Trade Fair. I deal on cosmetics, basically cream and soap. As you can see, all things. For example, this one is face cream. This is Stay Young. It clears sunburn, reddish and dark spot, and it make your face look so smooth. We also have so many other things like this, an argan oil. It will lighten your skin a little bit, glow your skin. It's a glowing oil, and it's also make your skin to look very fine. We also have a stretch mark cream. As you can see, this omega-3 is a stretch mark cream. It removes stretch mark. And we also have a varieties of soaps here, like E45 carrot is a whitening soap. We have Ashanti, we have bleaching soap, we have jam soap for facial soap, and we also have these soaps are for mulatto soap. You can use it to do mulatto soap. Also we have cup soap. This black soap is called Ghana soap. And we also have varieties of creams here. If you want your cream to look if you want your skin to glow, to lighten your skin, to make you look spotless, these are the cream you can have here. We have also have facial cleanser here. It's very nice for sunburn, very nice for dark spots and all that. And we also have a scrub. These are my scrub. We have varieties. We have tomato, we have lemon spice salt, we also have cleanser, we also have shower bath, we also have so many things, name it, so many things. We did delivering within Lagos and outside Lagos. You can count on me. My number is 07026597576. You can count on me. My business page is Classic Alicia on Instagram, Classic Alicia on TikTok, Classic Alicia on Facebook page. Please follow me up. I urge you guys to come and patronize me. I'm for sure I'm not a scammer. Thank you all.